Thank you for joining us for this wonderful Thanksgiving collaboration. Special thanks to Louise McKay, who was before me, for the introduction. Okay, we are ready to get started on this project. So I have a 14-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree. I've got some florals. I've set aside what I want on my wreath. I've got some wonderful fall ribbon. I found this beautiful sort of like a tulle ribbon that I'm going to use for wrapping. But before I wrap with that, I'm going to try something new, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to be sad. But I found this wonderful sort of orangish, rustic orange duct tape with a holographic design, and I think that is just going to look lovely underneath that ribbon. So we're going to start by wrapping the duct tape on this, and then we'll get ready. I also have this beautiful word harvest, and we're ready to go. So wrap, wrap, wrap. Oh, it's making nice shiny, shiny, shiny. All right, when we're all the way around, we're just going to cut it right off. Okay. Okay, so for our next step, we're going to turn it over. We're going to get our tulle ribbon, and we're going to set that there so we can start our wrapping. We're going to get out our handy dandy glue gun. And be sure, if you're getting out your handy glue gun, you're getting out your handy silicone brush, because tulle ribbon is very, very thin. You will burn yourself right through the ribbon. So we're going to mount that, and then we're going to wrap that. Once we've gone all the way around, we can flip it over and cut off our excess and get out our glue. Okay, we want to give that a second to dry, and then we're going to work on the top. Okay, while we're waiting for the glue to finish drying, because we want it nice and dry, we're going to work on our bow. So I've got 2 ribbons. We're going to make a very simple bow for this one. Okay, then we're going to take each piece, we're going to put the face of the ribbon down. We're going to take one end and we're going to fold it over to the 10-inch mark. And then we're going to pinch it at the 9-inch mark and stick it between our fingers. All right, now I've got them all in my finger. I'm going to take my twist tie. I'm going to put my twist tie where my finger is and give that a good couple of twists. We're going to leave that twist tie because that's what we're going to use to attach this. And then we're going to start fluffing out the bows. All right, and then that is going to be, now that our wreath is ready, we're going to pick the spot And I'm going to take all my tails and I'm going to dovetail them. And we're going to use that twist tie. Take our bow and attach that to our wreath. All right, let's start the florals. So I've got a whole batch of different florals for each side of my bow. And I sort of prearranged how I wanted to put them on. So we're going to start. Put our word harvest. And there we have it. Our wonderful harvest wreath. Pull some of these up this way just a little. You can sort of fiddle with it a little till you get it exactly where you want it. Do a little more fluffing. Okay. Hang in for final results. Okay, we have the final results. Now I did put one of those little sparkly pipe cleaners through the top there to make a hanger. So there's our word harvest. And here is our beautiful floral and bow design and our wonderful leaf wrap, which really looks gorgeous and sparkly. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Now, this is part of our Thanksgiving collaboration, so please follow along with the playlist. Up next is Brenda, so please keep on watching.